Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Mario Kart Tour. First, download the game from your device's app store. Once installed, launch the application and agree to the terms of service. You will then be prompted to link a Nintendo account. This is crucial for saving your progress and accessing all game features. While a guest login is available, it restricts some functionalities, so linking an account is highly recommended for the best experience. To link your Nintendo account, simply tap the Link Nintendo Account option that appears on the title screen. You will then be redirected to a browser page where you can sign in. Enter your Nintendo account email address or user ID and your password. After successfully signing in, confirm the linking process to secure your game data. If you are new to Nintendo, you can easily create a new account directly through this same prompt. If you prefer, you can choose to play as guest to start racing immediately without linking an account. However, remember that guest data is stored locally on your device only, meaning it won't transfer if you switch phones. To ensure your progress is saved to the cloud and accessible across multiple devices, you must link a Nintendo account. When moving to a new device, simply install the game and log in with your linked Nintendo account to transfer your data seamlessly. Linking your Nintendo account offers many benefits, including protecting your valuable game progress across different devices. It also unlocks exciting features like multiplayer races and exclusive rewards. If you encounter any login issues, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. Double-check your Nintendo account email or user ID and password for any typos. If problems persist, you can often find solutions within the game's help menu or by visiting Nintendo's support website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.